So if your YouTube is buffering a lot or taking a long time to load, it's likely actually not a YouTube issue, but it's a Wi-Fi or internet issue. I'm going to give you a couple things you can check to make sure that you are able to run your video properly. So the first thing is actually not even in YouTube. We're going to go and find an internet speed test app. Now, this is going to let us run a test of how well the internet is reaching this TV. So I'll hit start test, and this one is cool because it's actually going to tell us what we can stream without having major issues. Now, if your test results come back low, and when I say low, I mean under 15 to 25, you're probably going to want to move your router closer to the TV, or if you can, plug it directly into the TV to increase the signal so that you don't have these buffering issues. Now, if that's not possible, what we can do is, let's go back to YouTube. We can actually, let me move this, of course, an ad. Wait for that. Okay, we'll skip this. We can go over to the settings here, and then we can choose the quality. So currently I have it at 4K, which is obviously going to take a lot more, require a much stronger internet, but we can drop it down to all of these depending on the video. So HD is going to be 1080p, and that's going to require lesser internet, and will hopefully help your buffering or your bandwidth issues. The biggest thing is really the Wi-Fi, right? Proximity to the router and how well the TV is connected to the internet. But we can also check the cache for YouTube. To do that, it's gonna be slightly different on every TV, but it should start in your settings, all settings, and then we would go down to one of these, which one is it? Apps, YouTube, and then we would clear the cache here. Those are the big things to check. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could drop it into the comments. See you next time.